Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. I'm right now in Sicily, close to Etna, as you can see in the background, surrounded by lemon trees, and the sea is over there on this beautiful morning. And I just wanted to share with you a few stretches and moves you can do in a seated position and lying down. So just a nice and easy, gentle flow. To begin with, just find a comfortable seated position. You can let your hands rest to your thighs. And for a moment, close your eyes. Just take a moment to soften here. Let your focus drift a bit deeper inwards, guiding your focus to your heartbeat. Take some deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. And feel how every inhale is lifting you up, opening and creating space. And how every exhale is softening and giving you a grounding sensation. Maybe a gentle sway side to side. Take another deep breath in by your nose and let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. One more deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. And then just let your hands rest to your thighs. And gently open your eyes. From here, lean towards your right side. You can place your right hand down, maybe soft into your elbow. Lift your left arm to the sky and just open up. Maybe tip all the way over, get a nice stretch in the side of your body. Or you can fold forward, just drop your head. You can lift and open your arms, stretch towards the sky. Any kind of move and stretch that feels good here. Just a few deep breaths. On an inhale, you lift right back through the middle. Come all the way over to your left side. Place your left hand and elbow down. Lift your right arm to the sky and just open up. Maybe tip all the way over. You can drop your head, relax your neck. Just take a few deep breaths to move and stretch your body here. On an inhale again, you lift back to the middle. Now walk your hands a few steps in front of you. You can walk them as far forward as you like. Maybe come all the way down to your elbows, maybe your chest or your forehead down. Or maybe gentle sway side to side. Or maybe it even feels good to crawl a few steps to the right. Or a few easy steps to the left. Just taking a few deep breaths. Easy and gentle moves and stretches here. And some deep breath. When you're ready, you make your way back to the middle. And just take a deep breath. Just let your head drop, let your neck release. And walk your hands back towards your hips. Place them all the way behind you. Press your palms against the ground as you lift your chest towards the sky, opening up. And if it feels good, you can lift your hips up too. Just open up here. And again, gently drop your hips back down to the ground. Come to your seated position. You can let your hands rest to your thighs. For a moment, close your eyes. And guide your focus back to your heartbeat. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Again, gently open your eyes. From here, lean towards your left side, so you can stretch your right leg out to the side. You can place your right hand to the ground. Inhale, lift up your left arm to the sky, open up, create some space. And exhale, you gently tip over towards your right side. Maybe halfway down, maybe all the way. You can grab for your toes, your foot or your leg. Maybe rock a bit side to side. Taking a few deep breaths. On an inhale again, you lift up your upper body. Coming into a twist, place your right hand to your left knee, left fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist your spine. On an inhale again, back to the middle. And then you swap the sides, you bend your right leg in and stretch out your left leg. Place your left hand to the ground. Inhale, lift up your right arm to the sky, open up. And as you exhale, you can tip all the way over towards the left. Maybe all the way down, grab for your toes, your foot or your leg. Maybe gentle rock side to side. A few deep breaths. On an inhale again, you lift up your upper body, coming into a twist, placing your left hand to your right knee, right fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist your spine. On an inhale, back to the middle. And again, you bend your both legs in. And for a moment, again, just let your hands rest to your thighs. Close your eyes and guide your focus back to your heartbeat. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Again, gently open your eyes. And from here you come to all four and your hands in your knees. Just move your spine, how it feels good to move. You can rock it, you can roll it a bit around, side to side, arch it, you can round it. And when you're ready, you make your way into your child's pose. Just take a few deep breaths. You can let your forehead rest to the ground. Maybe gentle sway side to side. On an inhale again, you roll up to sit on your heels. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath in as you let your arms float out to the sides and to the sky. And exhale, make a twist to the right side. Left hand to your thigh, right fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist your spine. On an inhale, back to the middle, let your arms float up towards the sky. And exhale, make a twist to the left side. Right hand to your thigh, left fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist. Again, on an inhale, back to the middle. Let your arms float up to the sky. And as you exhale, you bring your arms behind your back. Place your palms to the ground. Just lean your body backwards. Open up your chest towards the sky. Open your heart. And again, just gently make your way forward. Again, you come to your hips. At this time, you stretch out your legs to either sides. Maybe scoop your hips a bit more forward. To begin with, place your hands behind you, lean your body backwards, lift your chest up high. And as you exhale, you make your way forward. Again, you can walk your hands as far forward as you like. Come down to your elbows, maybe gentle sway side to side. Or maybe you want to walk towards the right side. Open up here, maybe arm to the sky, and maybe just tip all the way down. Simply moving how it feels good. Again, you crawl your way through the middle and all the way over to the left side, moving and stretching how it feels good in your body. And taking some deep breath. Deep breath in by your nose. And some long, slow breath out by your mouth. When you're ready, you make your way back to the middle. And just take a few deep breaths here. And gently walk your hands back towards your hips and place them all the way behind you. Press your palms towards the ground as you lift your chest towards the sky. And if it feels good, you can lift your hips up too. Just open up here. And again, gently drop your hips back down to the ground. From here, bring your legs together. Bend your knees. Turn around and lie down on your back. Just bring your knees with you to your chest. Give yourself a nice hug, a nice squeeze. You can rock a bit side to side. Or maybe drawing circles with your hips. And then you make your both legs. Let them fall all the way over to the right side. Reach your left arm out to the side for a nice twist of your spine. And just take a few deep breaths. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Another deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. On an inhale, you lift your legs back to the middle and let them fall all the way over to the left side. Reach your right arm out to the side, turn your face to the right. Take a deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Another deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. Again, bring your legs back to the middle. Give yourself another nice squeeze, a nice hug. And then you can just straighten out your arms and your legs. And for a moment, just find your relaxing position, your Shavasana. You can close your eyes. And let your focus drift a bit deeper inwards. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. And just allow your whole body to rest and let go. And let your focus point be your heartbeat. And just simply notice every inhale. And every exhale as they come and go. Any sensations as they might come and go. And feel free to stay as long as you like in your Shavasana. But when you're ready, to slowly bring some movement back to your body. Begin with just deepen your inhales and lengthen your exhales. Invite fresh new energy into your body with every inhale. And as you exhale, feel all the energy flow and extend to every part. And slowly begin moving your fingers, your toes, your wrists, your ankles. You can stretch and move your body anyhow you like. And maybe draw your knees to your chest one more time. Give yourself a nice hug, a nice squeeze. And then just keep your eyes closed as you roll to one side of your body. And gently make your way up to a comfortable seated position. Anyhow you sit nice and tall. All together we take a deep breath in by the nose. Let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. One more time, a deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. And for a moment, just simply notice your heart pumping. And thank yourself for taking your time for your yoga practice today. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Namaste.